Hi all. This is a short little video giving you an introduction to what will eventually become our class project for the semester. You're seeing in front of you here a website that I've begun creating for our class projects. We can talk in class about what kind of a design we want, how we want it to look, and all of that kind of fun stuff. For the moment, I've arranged it just by giving each of you your own page. They're arranged alphabetically by your last name. So if your last name happens to be Alexander, for instance, you'll click here and you can see Khadijah's page. And when this opens up, what we get is pretty much a blank page. There's a default image that we can change. There's a little About Me button that I added in only on this particular page. None of the rest of you will even have that. And what I would like for you to do, just to get started, is to use your page to introduce yourself to the class. And those of you who have never done any kind of web design at all, that probably sounds a little intimidating. So let me walk you through exactly what it is that I'm hoping to see from you. Right after class on Wednesday, I will send out an invitation to each of you to join our Weebly site. And you'll get an email. It'll look something like this. If you see the pictures, okay, it will show that I've invited you to to edit our page, and you'll need to click on this link to get started. That's going to open up a window where you will have to create an account. With my test user, I've already created the account, so I'm just going to log in, but the account creation process is quite simple. Once you log in, it will then show you sites you contribute to. Lenore Rhine 232 Poetry Project, and you're going to click Edit. And once you have done that, it should bring up a screen here where it asks you to choose which page you want to edit. For the moment, you only have access to your own page. So here you can see I can't even click on Khadijah's page with my test user. I can only click on my page. And that opens up what we saw earlier, just kind of a blank page. The Weebly creation process is really pretty simple. Up at the top here you have the different types of things that you can put on a page. You can put a picture on the page. You can put a paragraph of text on the page. You can put a paragraph and a picture. If you come over here, you can continue down the list. We can put a photo gallery, a slideshow. We can put a YouTube video. We're not going to do much with revenue. I would really love to think that our poetry projects are going to be so fantastic that people would actually pay us to read them, but I suspect that that might not be the case, not because of the quality of your work, though. And then there are additional things that if you want to include, you can. For today, what I want you to do is to do a couple of things. First, I want you to give a title to your particular page on the site. And I'm going to call this About Dr. Fisher. So you saw how I did that, right? We just took the title, dragged it down, dropped it, and then you click in that box to edit it. If we decide that we don't want it, I already have one title, I don't need it, we can come over here to the little X and close it, delete. Once you've done that, I want you to provide us with a picture that says something about you, and I want you to describe that picture. So we'll probably use this paragraph with picture thing. So again, I'm going to click on it and then drag it down. And then I need to find my picture. So I'm going to click on Upload Image. And you could find one from the web using the search features here, or if you had the URL. I'm just going to upload one from my computer. And I'm going to go to My Pictures. And let's see if I can find a good one here. Rather than use my wife and children, I think I'll use my dog. And it's going to scan it for viruses, but then it's going to upload the picture. I can use this little editing menu to change some things. If I wanted to give a caption, let's give it Trixie. Whoa, I'm sorry about that. I clicked on the wrong spot. Okay. Now I want to say something about my picture. So again, you saw what I did. I just put my mouse here and clicked. And I'm going to write something about Trixie. Hopefully you'll write a little bit more about your picture than this, but I don't want to bore you sitting here watching this video of me doing that. So now I've added a picture and I've said something about it. The other thing that I would really like to have you do is to go ahead and embed a YouTube video of some sort. So to do that, you're going to go to Multimedia, and you're going to have to go in a separate window, go to youtube.com and find a video that says something about you. I've got one here, so I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to come back to my design page, and I'm going to click on this little YouTube video thing, and I'm going to drag it where I want it. I think I want it below Trixie. So I'm going to pull it down here. Now, I'm kind of weird about balance, so we're going to have to move this, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. And you notice this is not the right YouTube video, so what I need to do is come over here to the side of it and click, double click, and it single click actually, and it brings up a little box here where I can post in the URL that I just copied. So I'm going to paste that in, and then I move back down here and click again, and you can see now it's given me a different video, the one that I wanted. I can choose what size I want it to be, and in this case I'm going to put it on the right hand side so that it balances with my image over here. And then beneath this I'm going to drag down here a paragraph box so that I can write something about this video and why I've chosen it. So I'm going to put that below, and I'm just going to write in, this is Jason Isbell's song Elephant, I like it. Again, I hope you'll write a little bit more so that we get to know you a little bit better, but that's enough for this. So those are the three things that I want to see from you on your first Weebly page. A title, a picture with the text explaining it, and a YouTube video that says something about you, and ideally pull down a text box so that you can write in something there as well. Once you have done those things, you can come up here and click Publish. And it says that the website is published, and now if I come back over here to our course page and go to, ooh, I need to refresh this. Well, I need to rearrange so that you can actually see Devin Fisher's page, but that would now be published and we can all see it. So look forward to seeing your introductions, and I'm excited about this project and look forward to get to know you a little bit better. Get in touch with me if you're having any problems with this. I'll be happy to sit down and show you how to do it.